Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro smartphone runs on Android v9.0 Pie operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2.84 GHz, single-core, Cryo 585 plus 2.42 GHz, tri-core, Cryo 585 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 585 processor. It runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset. It has 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro smartphone has a OLED display. The screen has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and 390 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 24MP primary camera, 2MP camera, and on the rear, there's an 64 plus 13 plus 8 plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 4700 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro price. Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro smartphone price is likely to be $445.99, 31,990 rupees. Xiaomi Redmi K30 Pro is rumored to be launched in the country on April 23, 2020, unofficial. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.